Good afternoon, everybody. Ryan Weber out here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Today we're going to look at the 2014 Leisure Travel Unity 24MB. MB stands for Murphy bed. Comes on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. Once again, we have full body paint, running boards, power awning. Over here we have more storage. Nice deep storage area there. Under here we have our generator. It's an Onan 36 LP. LP, I do believe, stands for propane. So you have your diesel chassis and you're running your generator off propane. We have another little storage area right here. Take a look inside here. We have our inverter, little rack, shore power connection, shore power wire. Everything else we need. Nice little shelf up here. Let's go to the back. We have our ladder. We have our tow package here. Backup camera. We come over here around the corner. Here's where we have our utility station. Outside shower, which is extremely nice. You have pets. Got to wash your dirty feet off. It always helps keep the inside much cleaner. Come around here. We have our slide with slide top. Inside here is our cockpit. It is Mercedes-Benz. It's very nice, very luxurious, very, very, very comfortable. You kind of look right here what this is. That's a camera to let you know what's behind you when you're changing lanes. Very nice safety feature to have. Now let's go take a look inside. Come on in. Right here we have our lights. Battery disconnect, which is really nice. I showed you in a video earlier. You go to leave, you're not sure if you left something on, kill the battery disconnect. Up here, we have more of our instruments right here. This shows you your generator. This is your solar. Wardrobe closet here, hooks, little area up here. More, you put a couple pair of shoes, some sandals or whatnot in. And storage, storage, storage. Look at all this storage. And if you look the way these are built, absolutely top of the line stuff here. Here we have our dinette that folds down. What's nice about this, you could sleep on the dinette if you wanted to, or here's where your Murphy bed comes out. You put your table down, you fold this down, and you're in business. If you're sitting at the dinette, you want to watch a little TV, here's your TV. And what I like about it is you just put it down and you still can look outside the window. More storage. Storage is the name of the game here. We got plenty of it. Let's go over to our kitchen. Our galley here, solid Corian countertops. Again, more storage, pots and pans, all sorts of stuff. Go back up here, another little pantry. Keep your spices, cans of soup, anything that may need be for the road. Here we have nice deep stainless steel sink with retractable wand. Go back over here. This is what one thing Leisure Travel is known for, the sliding pantry. Look at all the stuff you can put in there. We have our nice refrigerator freezer, convection / microwave oven. Come back in here. This is what's known as a dry bath. Your toilet and the shower are not the same area. So you can do what you have to do. Here's your shower, nice sink, nice vanity that's mirrored. And what's nice about this, you can do that for privacy if you're in here and you need to get ready and you never know who's outside, right? Again, more storage, and more storage. Quite a bit of storage in a 24-foot unit. Up here, like I said, more storage. And what else I like about this is it does have a privacy door. All right. So I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. This is Ryan Weber at Johnson RV, and this is the Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. Thank you.